Phase 1 of our project is based here in the inner ward in the main castle itself. One of the things we're going to be doing is we'll be lifting all of the floor slabs that you see across the whole of the surface of this hall in order to install new underfloor heating so that we can make this room more usable for us today. That's going to be quite a big job. As you can imagine, we're going to have to number all of the slabs, lift them and take them out, and then do some excavation underneath to install the new underfloor heating. We've already done some small-scale investigations archaeologically to see if we're going to encounter any historic layers beneath the floor that we see. We didn't find anything in our original trench, but that doesn't mean that we're not going to find things when we start lifting the whole floor. The works we're doing here include the full refurbishment of this great hall. As well as installing the heating, we're going to be putting in toilets and other facilities for visitors in what we call the service area, which is to the back of the great hall. This means that we'll be able to hold events and activities in this great hall in the future, which will be very exciting for us. At the same time, we're also going to be improving the accessibility around this part of the castle. We have to replace several of the bridges which are reaching the ends of their lives, and also where we have steps leading into buildings. Wherever possible, we'll be replacing these with ramps. That means people will be able to get around much more easily in the future. Phase 2 of our project will be moving over to the south dam of the castle, where we're going to be building a new welcome centre. This will include a cafe, some toilets, and also rooms that can be used by communities and for educational use. The castle is going to stay open throughout the works that we're doing, and we're doing everything we can to keep as much of the castle accessible throughout. Obviously, some areas will have to be closed off, such as the Great Hall, while we're doing all the work in here, but where we're not working will be open and accessible. And we're also putting in some installations in the castle to explain our project and to give updates to visitors on the types of activities that are taking place while they're visiting.